Hello students, welcome back to the history class. Today's lesson is management of the welfare state of Swaraj. Next topic is sea trade and other markets. Shivaji Maharaj raised his own independent navy in order to protect his Swaraj. He also had special cargo ships built to promote trade in Swaraj. He developed trade ports like Rajapur. He built a special market on Raigad. He started a separate marketplace at Khed, Shivapur near Pune. He developed marketplaces in big towns and roadside villages. A new pet or settlement was established at Pasha near Pune. By the orders of Virmata Jijabai, it was referred to as Jijapur. Shivaji Maharaj levied more taxes on goods imported from the outside regions to promote trade within Swaraj. He levied more tax on the salt produced in the Portuguese territory, which made it costlier. On the other hand, he reduced the tax on the salt produced in Swaraj so that people would buy it at a cheaper rate. Naturally, it led to an increase in the trade of salt produced in Swaraj. High regard for women. Shivaji Maharaj had ordered that the women and children in the enemy camp were not to be harmed in any way during the period of war. The behavior of Shivaji Maharaj on several occasions set the ideal of how women were to be treated. The Maratha army had marched upon Belwadi in Karnataka to vanish the fortress there. Mallamma Desai, a brave woman, fought a great battle in the defense of the fortress. When Shivaji Maharaj came to know about her courage, he called her his younger sister, returned her fortress and villages to her with honor, and gave her the title Savitri. Vigilance regarding cleanliness. During the regime of Shivaji Maharaj, measures were taken to maintain better cleanliness in homes and in public places. He issued orders telling people to make a fence of Nirgodi bush around the house to prevent the entry of animals like mice, scorpions, insects, and ants. Fumigation was also suggested to destroy the germs that are harmful to health. Shivaji Maharaj management of forts, guns and firearms, his navy, protection of the environment, water management, sea trade, markets, cleanliness and hygiene is a guiding force for us even today. Hindavi Swaraj. Hindavi Swaraj was a dream of Shivaji Maharaj. Anyone who lived in Hindustan, no matter to what religion or community they belonged, was a Hindavi. Their Raj was Hindavi Swaraj. Religious tolerance. The religious policy of Shivaji Maharaj was liberal. In his campaigns, he never caused any harm to mosques. If he came across a copy of the Quran Sharif, he would respectfully pass it on to the Muslims. Shivaji's brother-in-law, Bajaji Naik Nimbalkar, was in the service of Adil Shah of Bijapur. Adil Shah made him accept the Muslim faith. One day he made up his mind to come back to his own religion. Shivaji Maharaj welcomed him back in his religion. The story of Netoji Palkar is similar. His religion had been changed, but he wished to return to his original faith. Shivaji Maharaj accepted him back into his religion. Remember him. Shivaji was a torch bearer in the dark night of slavery. A fighter who got the better of all difficult situations, who slowly but surely increased his strength while giving fight to the powerful enemies. He was a model son, a cautious leader, a skilled organizer, a benevolent administrator, a terror to the wicked, a defender of the good, and an epoch maker. When one sees all these brilliant facets of this personality, one cannot but say to oneself, bring to memory his wonderful image and remember his great achievements. Thank you, students.